Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk how to grow snake plant from the leaves. So as you know, snake plant is a versatile plant. You can grow in semi-shaded area to indoor as well as outdoor. But take care, if you grow your snake plant in full sunlight, it will burn the leaves. Let us now begin the propagation of the snake plant. We need to select the outermost leaf as it is the mature leaf of the plant. You will need to select this mature leaf and cut it from the below. So as per the WHO, this plant is one of the oxygen releasing plant. It takes up the environmental pollution from your room such as benzols and phenol or petrochemical pollution, and it will emit fresh oxygen. Now after selecting this mature leaf, you need to mark this leaf from tip to the bottom either with numbers or arrows. So the trick is you need to put the bottom of the leaves in the soil or water or different materials as shown up in this video. Never put the leaf upside down. If you place your leaf in an upside down position, then it won't produce root as well as it will decay the leaf and the propagation will be a failure. Now take scissors or cutter and separate each sections of about 4 to 5 inches thick in length along the line as shown in this video. Now this is the important part of the video. After cutting each sections, there will be a confusion whether it is the tip or the bottom of the leaf. So as before, we had marked this leaf in numbers or in arrows, which will help us differentiate whether it is a tip or the bottom of the leaves. After cutting each sections, we would need to keep these sections in sun so that it becomes dry. If you directly plant these sections, it will end up rotting the leaves. Now, let's move to the propagating mixture. For propagation, we will require river sand and regular garden soil. You can also mix river sand along with coco peat, but it's my preference you use regular garden soil. After thoroughly mixing, you can put it in the large feeding tray, regular tray, or the pot. You can also propagate in water, but propagation in water is a bit challenging. This is another important segment of the video where you will need to take antifungal agent, mix it in a water, make a thick paste. Now you need to put the top and the bottom end of this section to prevent the rot. Repeat this step with all the sections you have. Make sure you put the bottom of the leaves in the potting mixture. Avoid putting the tip. As before I had explained in this video, if you put the top end of the leaves in the soil, it will just decay and it won't produce roots. For watering this newly made cutting, I am using the previously made antifungal solution. It will make the soil moist as well as it will prevent the fungal attack over the newly made cuttings. The second important thing is you need to put this cutting under a shade. Avoid direct sunlight for like 2 to 3 days and do not water because the soil is already moist. After 1 or 1.5 months, you will see development of new roots coming from the bottom of the leaves, as well as you can also see a new shoot coming from the end of the leaves. Gently remove the leaf from the tray and plant it in the new container or a new pot. So that's all for the video. If you want the propagation of the snake plant in water, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to make a video for you. Also, like, share and comment in the video. It will be a huge help for me to develop this channel. That's all. Have a good day. Happy gardening.